Hey guys, just want to give you a review on the Gore-Tex Adidas Ultraboost 2022. Great shoe, love them. Ran a couple 10K races in the rain. Kept me super dry. I love the zipper feature. Laceless design. Great cushioning. But the toe box makes this weird plasticky noise. I got a couple other Adidas Gore-Tex shoes here. These are the Adidas Free Hiker Gore-Texes, and they have an amazing toe box that I wish the Ultraboost 22 had. And I got the ZX 2000 2K Gore-Tex, amazing toe box. But it's just this toe box is just so plasticky. And I'll show a clip if you guys are thinking about getting them. I tried the breaking the orange ones. I had those for 4 months. And I just got the beam greens in for a month, but they still make the same noise. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.